Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And after update, you getting issue in the Bluetooth. So, so first method, click to start and go to setting. If setting icon is not showing here, so you just search setting Bluetooth. So which is you are facing. So remove this device first and then close it. Next method, reinstall Bluetooth driver. So right click device manager. You can see this is a Bluetooth. So this is a Bluetooth wireless. This is driver wireless Bluetooth. Right click, uninstall. Click on uninstall. Okay. After that, click on action and scan for hardware changes. So it will come back. Then in the network, Bluetooth, right click, update and update automatically, and then close it. And then close it. So if your laptop HP Dell laptop, so in this case one working fix in the most of case. Next, click to start, then setting, then again click Bluetooth. So just turn off and then again turn on and then close it. Next, restart Bluetooth service. So click to start, go to service, right click to run as administrator. This is services and press B for Bluetooth. So you can see Bluetooth gateway service. So double click, first stopped, then select the manual, select automatic, then apply, then start, and then OK. Then Bluetooth support service. Okay, so click on select this and click restart. Restart. Okay, then same third one, Bluetooth user support service. Click to restart. Then guys, close it and restart your system, and then please check and comment me it is resolved or not. If not, I will create another video. Okay, thank you.